Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And here's the exact 5-star review that one of our customers left online about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars by our customers, and in return we have incredibly loyal customers, and you'd be amazed at how we work to earn that loyalty. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.